Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to issue a full refund on Etsy in 2026. Do you need to issue a full refund to a buyer on Etsy? Here's how to do it quickly and correctly. Now before we start, I'll give you a quick guide on how to access and become a seller on Etsy. We're just gonna go to your web browser, or alternatively you can use your mobile device by downloading the Etsy app on your iOS device or your Android device, depending on which device you're using. Then you're going to go to the store and search for the Etsy application. Now, if you're using your PC, you can go to the Etsy.com website. And once you do that, you're going to make sure to sign up with your account or sign in with your Google account. And once you sign in, you're going to click on your account and you're going to find an option here that says create a shop or become a seller. You're going to choose that option and you're going to have the option to click on shop manager, as you can see here. Now, after you log in, you're going to click on Shop Manager and make sure to set up your Etsy shop. You can fill in the shop preferences. You can name your shop and your payments method and your billing infos, also your security. And once you fill in all that information, you are going to have the option to click on Shop Manager. From there, you can start selling. Now, after you're going to click on the Shop Manager and you become a seller, you're going to have the orders and shipping option. You're going to find the completed or active orders you want to refund. Then you're going to click on issue a refund. Now, inside the order, you're going to select the issue a refund option. Then select full refund. You're going to choose the option to refund the full amount and confirm the refund by reviewing it and its details, then confirming, and Etsy will process the refund back to the buyer's original payments method. Now, refund processing times depend on the buyer's bank or payments provider, so communicate clearly with the buyer before issuing the refund to avoid confusion. And that's how you issue a full refund on Etsy in 2026. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.